So, hello guys, it is me, Lister Bibero. So now I'll be talking about the province of the Philippines, municipality of Zamboanga del Sur, Aurora, on its socio-economic challenges. But first, let me introduce a little about the Aurora. So, Aurora, municipality of Aurora is a first-class municipality in the province of Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 52,995 people. The town was named after the former President Manuel Quezon's wife, Aurora Quezon. So, Aurora faces significant socio-economic challenges characterized by low and unstable economic growth and persistently high poverty rates. These issues are interconnected, creating a cycle that hampers development and quality of life for its residents. So, the poverty incidence in Aurora was estimated about 21.01% in 2021. So, these challenges, how can this be a stressor among the people living in Aurora? And how can you, as an individual, help to solve this? But first, how low economic growth and high poverty act as stressors in Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur. First, financial distress. Erratic income from agriculture and limited job opportunities force families into constant survival mode, creating anxiety over basic needs like food, healthcare, and education. Second, environmental and housing stress. Poor infrastructure exposes residents to noise pollution, overcrowded housing, and unsafe living conditions, which contribute to chronic stress and family dysfunction. Third is health and education gaps. Limited access to healthcare and education perpetuates integrational poverty, malnutrition, preventable disease, and school dropout traps families in poverty, fueling despair and hopelessness. And fourth, social exclusion and mental health. Poverty-related stigma and geographic isolation reduce social mobility and amplify feelings of marginalization. Studies show poverty directly increase risk of depression and anxiety, further reducing productivity. Second question, how I, an individual, help to solve these challenges? For me, first, support local businesses. Prioritize purchasing from Aurora Zamboanga del Sur farmers, artisans, and entrepreneurs. This strengthens local economies and creates jobs. And second, advocate for policy change. Raise awareness about Aurora Zamboanga del Sur's needs like infrastructure or education through social media or community meetings. And third, lastly, promote sustainable practices. Share knowledge about climate resilient farming or renewable energy, like solar dryers for crops to reduce environmental risk.